everyone, we are going to talk about Chapter 6. In Chapter 6, we will actually talk about data communication, which is about delivering information anywhere and at any time. Some of the learning outcomes would be, first, we will be able to describe major application of data communications, and we will be able to define them. Second, we will be able to explain the major components that are involved in data communication system, as well as we will be able to describe the major type of processing configuration that is required for data communication, as well as we will touch on some topics of networks. What are the different network types that are out there, and we will talk about the network topology. Also, we will talk about some concepts maybe you are familiar from your networking course, such as bandwidth, routers, and client-server model. And finally, we will describe some technology that we are using nowadays in mobile and wireless networks, as well as the security that are important in using these techniques. Okay. So what is data communication? Well, data communication is the electronic transfer of data from one location to another. And it is basically you can transfer data from anywhere at any time. Data communication can also improve the flexibility of data collection and transmission. For instance, let's look at some workers. Maybe there are, they are everywhere in the world, and maybe they are communicating from different locations. So they can actually use laptops, smartphones, or other devices to be able to communicate from either their office or from home. A lot of companies nowadays are based on virtualizations, which means that they are going to collaborate online. And the word e-collaboration comes to our mind, which is one of the main application of data communications. So why managers need to know about the data communications? So for example, when a new product is being introduced, the executives or all the people who are in the key decision making, they might be scattered all over the world. So with the data communication systems and e-collaboration tools, they can actually work effectively in a timely manner. So it actually improves the efficiency and productivity. And they can actually make decisions from anywhere with having these tools in place. Maybe some of the tools that we can think about that are acting as a collaboration tool, one of them could be maybe GoToMeeting. Maybe some of you have used that to conduct online meetings. And actually, this is a web conferencing service that is being hosted by Citrix Online, and is providing a collaboration technology for people who want to use it. Also, maybe you have maybe used TeamViewer. TeamViewer is another software that can be used for web conferencing and attend meetings online. Let's see what are the effects of data communication technology. Some of the effects for the companies is that they can use the data communication technology to do online training for their employees, and they can actually use the virtual classrooms. Also, the employees of the companies could use the internet searches to gain information about the product and services. It also facilitates the lifetime learning as well. Also, boundaries between work and personal lives are becoming less clear-cut as data communication is more available at home as well as the businesses. Nowadays, there are so many tools out there that we can use to do web and video conferencing. So it will decrease the cost of business travel as well. There are a lot of conferences that can be conducted online, as well as a lot of meetings. So managers, they need to have a clear understanding of basically the basic of data communication and networking. They should know about wired and wireless technology, as well as they should know about the network security issues and how what are the globalization issues that are affecting their organization.